Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule videos on YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to schedule a YouTube video, you need to upload it via the YouTube Studio app or desktop. You need to simply get logged in and then you need to go and upload a content. Now, once you have uploaded a content, you need to go and tap on visibility. After tapping on the visibility section, you can simply tap on the scheduled option. So once you tap on schedule, you can simply select the time and date as per your preference. After doing this, you need to tap on the OK button, and after doing this, you can simply go and tap the save button. After you have simply done this, you can simply publish it as public according to the schedule that you have set. So this is how you can schedule videos on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.